Hello, I am Tamara from SolarLog, and today I would like to present you the new SolarLog Next Generation. Here is the SolarLog base. What's new? All important information can be seen on the touchscreen. Furthermore, you can read all information of the device with the QR code from the information center. That's perfect, isn't it? Here on this side you can see the RS485 or RS422 connection, as well as the power and S0 connection. And hey cool, on this side you can see the USB and Ethernet connections. And now we put it on the DIN top hat rail. After connecting all cables, I will show you how you can install the SolarLog base in the browser, and that is really easy to act. First step is to define the language and the region. We recommend to create your own password. And now we start the configuration assistant. Here you can see the connection test. Directly after that, the firmware will be checked. At this point, you can have a look how the configuration assistant works, and I add the elements. Now the detection starts. At the next step, we record the data for the configuration which we receive from the documentation of the plant. Here we configure the meter. And the last step is to activate the transfer of the portal. Tada! We are already done. That's great! For more information, you can visit our website or you can contact our distribution partner. Bye bye! See you soon!